Hi, this is Peter Zellum's Adventure 8 Griniflix, and today's video is going to be unboxing the Alu-Cab Canopy Camper on my Hilux. How exciting! The Hilux is going to be my second vehicle for the Adventure 8 tours here in Australia, Outback tours. I've got the Troopy, which is the main vehicle, and really set up with all the recovery gear and everything. So this is going to be the second vehicle that will accompany for my guests that want to drive and be part of the tour. Adventure 8, Griniflix, where I do hosted tours, private tours, small group tours. So right now it's pretty hard to get on any tours, but in New South Wales we can do tours, we can do weekend, day tours, weekend tours, and longer tours as well in the Outback. But anyway, so this is going to be unboxing of the Alu-Cab Canopy Camper. This was supplied by Peak Off-Road and my buddy Ivan. I purchased this canopy camper and outfit second-hand, so it was used, pre-purchase. So I was able to save a few bucks that way. But anyway, we'll be able to cover costs and everything on another video. But let's do the unboxing. This is my first attempt at doing everything. We're going to be opening it up, opening up the bed, having a look inside, as well as the awning that comes all the way around as well. So let's get started. So these are locks, they are lockable, and we'll just open up one side panel, I'll open up the other one as well. Great thing about it is you can have access from either side. We've got a pretty secure latch here, it's like that on containers, really heavy duty. We open that up and we just pull that open. That's sprung loaded and everything, and there you go, it's open. The next thing, we're going to set up the bed. Let's see how long it takes. Anyone got the stopwatch on right now? Matter of pulling out the secure pin. The other secure pin, unlatch that. Unlatch the other side. And then we just basically let it go up. As it goes up, you grab the octopus strap or the bungee strap here. And you put that around there. And there's a couple of poles that we need to pull out, so we'll do those. I think I've got those in the back seat. Voila, back poles. And from my training with Ivan, he told me I got to put those in first. And then we grab that one and put it on. And we do the other side as well. And that's it. So I'm not entirely sure how many seconds that took, but basically the tent is set up and we're ready to rock and roll. The next step will be to let's have a look inside and how actually we get inside the bed. What comes with the Alu-Cab Canopy Camper are these pockets that's already there. These pockets on the door are already there as well. I've added a few boxes here and there, and because I'm still working on the premise that everything has to be lightweight, everything has to be modular, everything has to have flexibility, it's got to be economical, it's got to be multi-purpose as well. So we'll come back to these boxes later on, but for now, that's what you get. You get these, basically the canopy, you get the all these little accessories, pockets, there are some lights also, there is wiring. I yet to do the wiring, so we'll come back to another video on the wiring and how all this actually works, but this is basically the unboxing still. So the next thing, which I love about this thing, is look at this. That opens up, and that also opens up completely, like that. And what that means is you got all this space. Incredible. You can actually stand up and dance, which I will do. Yeehaw! Anyway, so that's actually the bed. And let's go have a look at that now. I'll just pull that down. And oops, pull that down. Here's the bed. So to get to the bed, there's the first trapdoor here, which you just lift up. And there it is there. So then, now I've got the boxes here, they wouldn't normally be here, but these are the boxes I want. We'll come back to that another time, but that's going to be my step to get up. So I can just go from there. Oops, okay. Okay, I'm going to have to work out these boxes. That's not working at all. And then I'm in my bed. And voila. If I want a bed extender, then I just pull this down, and there's a mattress here as well, and that makes it a pretty long bed. So for a short guy like this, it's really long. For a big guy, it's still fantastic. I'm back. So that's the process. The boxes I've got to work out still. And then we'll come back down. And here I am. So these boxes are okay. So what I'll probably end up doing is put a table here or something like that, which means I'll be able to step on it to get up onto the bed. So that's the bed bit. Let's go have a look at the awning. Okay, let's do the awning. So there's the awning. Probably the best way to operate the awning is close this first. Voila. Voila. For clarity, I will close this, but you don't need to actually open it. But anyway, to make it a bit easier. So that's closed. So we start at this end, we come around, and lift that up. Undo these 3 straps. And then just let that fall out. Bring that out a little bit. Now, I was told by Ivan, the first thing you got to do is make sure that's clear, like that, so that can actually open up and you won't rip the bag. And grab the strap and walk around. Oh, okay. Pull these out as well. Why doesn't this one go out? Oh, okay. Voila. And voila. So they're all out. Nothing's going to grab onto it. And then walk around. And clip it on the back here, onto the eye. And then you can tension it like that. And you put that up. Like that. And now we've got an awning. The wonderful thing about this awning is you can actually get sides that attach to the Velcro here all the way around. So it's a rectangular awning all the way around, all the way around. And you can actually have an additional tent. So I think I'll get this. And then we're back open again. The door clears the awning. And voila, we're set up. So that's all part of the setup. And you can see that to set this up or have a picnic or whatever, it only takes 3 or 4 minutes. So let's go through the close-up process now. Normally I know in the Troopy when I've got the camper trailer, or even on the Troopy I've got a rooftop tent, but by the time I do all that, it takes a good 15 minutes or so to actually pack up and put everything away. But let's see how long this takes. So, do everything in reverse. Close that up, give it some space. We'll undo the latch here. And then just walk it around. Voila. Pull out, just let everything come down. Oh, okay. There's always something, isn't there? That bar's got to come down first. And that way all the canvas just sits down nicely. And that all goes in there. We can bring this back over. Now there are the 3 straps that I undid before, so I just got to go retrieve them. Wherever they are. Here's one strap, 2 straps, 3 straps. Okay, so you start to roll up the canvas from the bottom, and no doubt the more times you do this, the quicker and the more accurate you'll be in the whole process. So I'm just making sure that it rolls up evenly, and we'll bring that one up as well. That can stay in there. Voila. Okay. So we'll leave that one out, and we'll just grab one of those, put that on, and put that on. The canvas has a channel in here that all sits in there, so once it's in there, then it's just a matter of just helping it sit in nicely. And once all the canvas is in there, again, the more practice you have with this, the better job you will do at, no doubt. Been my first go since driving it out of the showroom, out of Ivan's Peak off-road workshop. We'll see how we go with this. The proof of the pudding will be when you try and zip this up. And if it all zips up nicely, then you're laughing. Okay. So anyway, it seems to be zipping up. And there you go. So anyway, the next stage is to pull down the bed. So you want to make sure that the bed is actually down, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, bed is down. Okay, everything in reverse again. First things first, grab out the poles. You can put them in the cupboard, but I'll just throw them in there for now. And take that one out. All right, so we've got you can pull that in, and there's my puller. We'll put the bungee cord back up. That just holds all the canvas in. So when you pull it down, all the canvas will sit in properly. A bit of momentum to pull it down. Get the air out of the tent. Let that all sit inside. I can go inside. Give a bit of a whack on the side here. Bit of a whack on there. Make sure that no canvas is out. That's all part of keeping it waterproof. That looks fine on my side. fine on the other side. Latches go down. The safety pin goes in. I'll close up the other side. Close up the tailgate. That's it. I'm looking forward to the first trip and trying it all out, but needless to say, there's a few more steps in between. We've got to sort out the boxes and how I fit out internally, sort out the electrical, how all that's going to work. There'll be more videos on that. My first impressions is it's a pretty neat package. I've got the spare wheel on the tailgate right now that's strong enough for that. And then I'll have another spare wheel underneath, so I have 2 spare wheels that way. Hope you enjoyed this video. The unboxing of the Alu-Cab Canopy Camper, supplied by Peak Off-Road, Ivan, my buddy. And I hope you've enjoyed the video. So if you liked it, please thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. As you probably know, with the YouTube videos, there's the subscriptions that help the creators, the content creators like myself, actually create more videos for you guys watching this video. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.